Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Octopath Traveler, Champions of the Continent error code 100,000. The error reads, "Cannot connect to the network. Please check your connection and try again." If this error persists, please contact us with the circumstances in which the error occurred and include the following code. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. The error comes when users try to launch the game but are unable to connect at all. Some users also shared that after performing in-game actions like dice rolls, changing maps, or opening the exchange. According to our research, this issue is related to connectivity problems which might be affected by the device, Wi-Fi, VPN, or app bugs. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to kill the app completely and then restart it. Once the app restarts, try connecting again and check for the error. If the error still comes, then restart your Wi-Fi. Simply turn off your router, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Once the connection is re-established, launch the game and see if the error still comes. If the error continues, check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If the error doesn't resolve, try switching to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Once connected to mobile data, open the game and check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error and you are using VPN, then reset your VPN or try changing the VPN location. Some users shared that resetting or changing the VPN location resolved the error. So try this and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, try logging in on a different device and check for the error again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.